Hello, everybody. Good afternoon. I hope everyone's had their coffees, and I can keep you guys engaged for the next 15 to 20 minutes. So, Molygraph Lubricants is basically a specialty lubrication organization, and I'm just going to give you a brief overview of what we do, and hopefully strike up an interesting conversation post the presentation. So 40 years ago, Molygraph was founded with a simple but powerful mission to provide lubrication solutions that would enhance industrial performance. We wanted to make sure that specialty lubricants were more accessible and almost counting, they should be the way of life rather than just a goal, and be a lot more mainstream for industries worldwide. And thus, we came up with accelerating industrial performances with the most efficient lubrication solutions as our motto, where we want to make sure right from the products, the services, the people, the entire way in which you deal with us becomes a lot more efficient for you as a company. Where we do these things? Well, this is a manufacturing facility. It's 100 kilometers off Mumbai. The facility right now can cater to 40 tons of finished high quality products per day. And well, it's not only high quality products, we also want to make sure that the people that work there, the environment that we work in, are also following the same standards. And that's why we are ISO 45001, 14001, and 9001 certified. Well, if we want to go global, then the manufacturing also has to expand. And this is the current expansion project that is in the works. Should be ready. This is a glimpse of it. Should be ready in the next 6 months. Where we 3x our production capacities, 3x our warehousing capacity, and 2x our R&D capabilities. Talking about R&D, that's the cornerstone of our success, the heart of where innovation happens for us. And we have 2 separate labs, one dedicated towards QA and QC, and one where all the research and development, all the new products and product improvements happen. And none of them is possible without passionate chemists. And we're very proud of a team of 25 passionate chemists that work round the clock in making very, very high quality products for us. And what we make? What we make is a very, very wide range of high performance lubricants. High performance greases is something which is our forte. So we make a lot of different chemistries of greases, right from your normal anhydrous calcium to lithium to more advanced chemistries like lithium complex, calcium sulfonates, polyureas, barium complex, PFPE greases, aluminum complex. So we make a very wide range of products in different chemistries using mineral-based oils as well as synthetics. We do a large range of synthetic gear oils in PAO and PAG chemistries. We do ester-based high-temperature chain oils. And we do a lot of products on the metal forming side, so whether it is forging lubricants, punching and stamping fluids, or metalworking fluids, and we will dive deeper into different product ranges as we move ahead in the presentation. Safety is again very, very important, so we make high quality food grade lubricants which are absolutely non-toxic in nature. And then we have a range of products for other MRO applications, such as your mold release, rust preventives, cleaners, and degreasers that are used across general engineering industries. And who do we serve, right? So right from precision engineering companies like automotive components and automotive assembly plants to, as I said, metal forming products like forging, metalworking, and forming products to heavy engineering products like steel, mining, cement, oil and gas, sugar. These are all the products, these are all the industries that we serve. Diving a little deeper into some of our product ranges, some key product ranges that are for us. On the automotive component side, we work with tier 1, tier 2 automotive component manufacturers. We work with their design teams to make sure that for whatever products that they need for their exterior, interior, chassis, electrical components, such as their window regulators, their wiper motors, their sunroof systems, their seating systems. We have our Auto G and our Auto Damp range of products that encompasses this entire range. And on the automotive assembly side, we have the Droid Grease range of products that work on the robotic applications in the assembly plants, and the Stenol range of high temperature chain oils, which are mainly used for automotive paint shop applications. On the heavy engineering side, this is where we do maximum business. Whether it is your entire steel range, right from DRI to continuous casting to rolling mills, or your mining equipment, whether it's mobile equipment or process equipment, we make sure that we have a lot of high performance greases, right from calcium sulfonates to polyureas to greases with a lot of solids inside. If it's cement mills, then they need heavily loaded open gear greases for their girth gear applications, is where we come in with high performance open gear greases. And then on the oil and gas side, especially the upstream side, we make high performance thread dope compounds and valve greases for wellhead integrity. On the metal cutting and forming side, we have the smooth cut range of soluble, semi-synthetic and synthetic cutting fluids. We have our Never Rust range of high-performance corrosion preventives. We have our Graphol range of graphited forging lubricants. These are available in oil-based and water-based dispersions. And we have a smooth form range of specialized evaporative oils, mainly for punching stamping applications, which are used in motor core stamping, HVAC, aluminum food container stamping applications. Again, safety is extremely important for us. So we have our Safol range of products, which are absolutely non-toxic greases, gear oils, and conveyor chain oils for food, beverage, and pharmaceutical products. These are all NSF H1 certified, kosher certified, halal certified, so you can be rest assured of wherever you're supplying your product, all the certifications are well in place for these. And then some other specialties. We have our Ultra Syn and Ultra Gear Syn range of synthetic greases and gear oils, which are FAG FE8 approved, FZG stage 12 pass products, which are optimum for wind turbine lubrication and is the standard for wind turbines. The EcoSil range of mold release products for injection molding, and HVG range of silicon compounds for rotational molding applications. And then we have the Stenol series of high temperature chain oils, which are becoming a benchmark in stentor chain applications, whether it's in textile or high temperature chain applications, as is the case in Malaysia with latex glove manufacturing. And then we have the SGH series of high performance calcium sulfonate greases, especially for paper mills, right from your wet end to your dry end section. These are extremely important because you have a lot of adverse conditions when it comes to paper mills. Now, how do we sell these? Nothing is possible without great partners. So we have 100+ channel partners in India that stock and sell our product. We have expanded into 25 new geographies outside of India, especially in Southeast Asia and the Middle East, and now making inroads in Canada and Australia as well. And all of these are supported by 50 on-field engineers that help the customer throughout their journey with Molygraph. 'Nothing Some key customers that we work with across different industries. So you would find names in the automotive, you would find names in the food, in the electronics, in the oil and gas sector. These are the biggest companies in the world that are doing the things that they're doing, and we're happy to be part of their success. So all in all, Molygraph brings you an unparalleled spectrum of products infused with innovation and cutting-edge technology, derived from meticulous research and development, and supported by an extensive global network of channel partners. And once again, from everyone at Molygraph, thank you so much for listening, and I would be happy to have a conversation outside of this presentation. Thank you.
Thank you. Any questions from the floor? You shared a very diverse portfolio. What do you see as one of the biggest challenges that you're facing at the moment that you might be able to share with the audience?
Well, one of the challenges that we face as a specialty company is making sure that we keep coming out with innovative products, right? What was innovative 5 years back becomes commodity in the next 5 years. So it's to make sure that you're ahead of the curve. You're not doing things that everyone does mainstream, and you're trying to add that extra performance, that extra value add, whether it's in terms of product, or it's in terms of service, or it's in terms of delivery to the customer. So we're always trying to go that extra mile to help the customer to give maximum value and reduce their total cost of ownership. So, yeah.
It's a very pertinent answer, and I think that the innovation curve is, the demand is becoming shorter and shorter, which is very difficult to try and address. And so how do you receive your feedback from your customers and play that into this cycle of yours?
Well, we do a lot of trials with our customers. These are performance-based products. So they don't get picked off the shelf. We have to make sure that we work with the customers. The gestation period can last from 6 months up to a year. We work on their machines, we understand their design, and then we tailor make a lot of products for them. And then once we know that the product is successful in say a trial, and then we kind of move ahead and gain confidence and kind of expand into more locations with them. So yes.
That's great. That's great. Thanks for sharing.
Thank you so much.
Any others? Any other questions? No. All right. Well, thank you very much. All right. We have one more speaker at 2:30. So we have a 15-minute break. Feel free to go check out the booths.